Progressive overload. Gradually increase weight, reps, or intensity, 65 to 85% of one rep max, 6 to 12 reps per set to challenge muscles. Compound exercises. Prioritize multi-joint movements, squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, rows. Training frequency. Train each muscle group 2 to 3 times per week, for example, push-pull legs or full body routines. Proper form. Use correct technique to avoid injury. Work with a trainer or watch reputable tutorials if new. Vary routine. Change exercises, rep ranges, or tempos every 4 to 8 weeks to prevent plateaus. Nutrition. Protein intake. Consume 1.6 to 2.2 grams protein per kilogram body weight daily. For example, 120 to 160 grams for a 75 kilogram person. Sources: lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, tofu, beans, protein powders. Caloric surplus. Eat 200 to 500 calories above maintenance to fuel growth. Use a calorie calculator. Carbs and fats. Carbs, 45 to 50% of diet. Rice, oats, fruits. Fats, 20 to 30% of diet. Avocados, nuts, olive oil. Timing. Spread protein across 3 to 5 meals. Post-workout meal with protein and carbs aids recovery. Hydration. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Rest and recovery. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly for muscle repair and growth hormone release. Rest days. 1 to 2 per week to prevent overtraining. Try active recovery, like light walking or yoga. Stretching or mobility. Use stretching or foam rolling to reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Consistency and mindset. Track progress, log workouts, weights, reps, and sets using apps like Strong or MyFitnessPal. Set goals. Aim for specific, achievable targets. For example, gain 5 kilograms of muscle in 6 months. Patience. Expect visible results in 8 to 12 weeks with consistent effort. Motivation. Channel discipline, inspired by motivational content like Build Your Muscle, Build Your Life. Supplements. Optional. Whey protein. Convenient for protein needs. Creatine monohydrate, 3 to 5 grams daily for strength and growth. BCAAs. May aid recovery, but less essential if protein intake is sufficient. Note: consult a doctor before starting supplements. Common mistakes to avoid. Overtraining. Avoid excessive volume to prevent fatigue or injury. Poor nutrition. Undereating or low protein hinders growth. Skipping warm-ups. Do 5 to 10-minute light cardio and dynamic stretches. Inconsistency. Stick to a schedule for results. Sample beginner workout plan 3 days a week. Day 1, push. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Incline dumbbell press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Day 2, pull. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Pull-ups or lat pull-down, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Day 3, legs. Squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Leg press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Increase weights as strength improves. Additional tips. Inspiration. View your journey as a story of growth and discipline, aligning with your interest in transformative narratives. Resources. Check bodybuilding.com or reputable YouTube channels for exercise demos. Tracking. If you want a chart to visualize progress, for example strength gains, provide data and I can create one.